Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to run Jenkins in Dockers. So as we know, Dockers is a container, so we can run Jenkins server on Docker. So let's start the process. Okay, so before we start the process, first we check we have Dockers in our machines or not. So let me show you. So I have a Docker. I have installed Docker in my machine. So if you check, if you see here, so you will find Docker dashboard. It's Docker the desktop is running, and I have already logged in with the desktop accounts. So if you do not install Docker in your machine, so first you have to install Docker in your machine, and after that you will get this Docker run hyphen d hyphen p 8080 Dockers and getting started. So it will help you to run the Dockers. And once you installed Docker in your machine, so you can check through the commands. So I have already runs the command, like you have to use a Docker command, like just you have to use Docker version, so it will help you to Docker install successful or not. If it is installed in your machine successfully, it will show a Docker version. Then after you can also check Docker container. So I'm using this command, so Docker's container ls, which help you to run Docker container id image commands created, like when your container is got created, and what is the status of your Docker image, and in which ports they are running, and the names of your services. Okay, so to fetch these features, let I let me share you the commands which help you to fetch Dockers. So first, you need to run this command. Like I have just copied it from server. So it's a Docker pool Jenkins LTS. So once you run like this command, so what will help you? It will fetch Dockers, like it will fetch Jenkins from Docker repository, and it help you to download all the Jenkins server. So now you are looking like Jenkins is downloading in my Docker machine. Let's wait to complete. So once the pull is completed, so you will check Docker's is image Jenkins image has downloaded. Okay, and then we will use the new commands, like to run Jenkins container. So I am running Docker run, then I am using the value, and I am using this one. So it help you to runs the commands, like I am using Docker run hyphen d slash hyphen names Jenkins, and I am this is the command 8080 for which port I am using, and Jenkins home, which help you to set the Jenkins value, and Jenkins like LTS is a stable version. So when I click on it, so it's working fine. So what is the next step? What is the use of hyphen p? P means like a Jenkins port, and 5,000 50,000 I'm using for Jenkins agents communication. Okay, and hyphen v Jenkins underscore home, so it is used, it will help you to like a persist Jenkins home directory. Then how you will access Jenkins? So I'm using local, I think localhost 8080 we can use to run the ports. So let me check. I am open the browsers, and it will help you to uh, run the Jenkins. So I am just trying to fetch this one. Sorry, it's a localhost 8080. Let's wait, I'm checking the commands. So it's local host 8080, I think. Yes, so I'm using http uh, slash localhost 8080. So it will help you to run. Oh, sorry, it's not coming. I think I missed something. So let me copy again and paste it once again. So I'm just copy this file, and I'm trying to run this again. So wait, localhost 8080, it's fetching, and Jenkins is now um, ready for the servers. Okay, so you see as the forms Jenkins is getting started, you see the logo of Jenkins. So what to do? I am just adding password. So what I'm doing, so to get the admin password, like we have to fetch the password. So I am using the commands which help you to run insert the admin password. So in the commands I am just using these commands like docker excc jenkins cat, where and you will get secrets key initial docker password. So this is the main password like you would need to use to run the admin. So I'm just copy it and run on the servers. So let me check. uh, I'm trying to using this password and trying to continue. So yes, uh, Jenkins is ready to use it, and it's configured, and you have to just install it. You have to install the suggested plugins, or you can select the plugins whatever you want to use in Jenkins. Okay. Uh, so Jenkins is running fine, and as you see on the browsers, the data is coming. So Jenkins is working on localhost 8080, and we have installed suggested plugins and select plugins to install. So it depends on the situation. Like if you want to use this one, so you can use this. Otherwise, you can select plugins to install. uh, and let's check the container service. So if you check the container service, so you will see like we have a Jenkins value. So Jenkins like Jenkins is already available, right? So name and its image is Jenkins LTS, as I already told you. So LTS is depends for the stable version, and the status is running. So same thing you can check in the commands prompt. So last time I have showed you like the commands, right? So Jenkins container ls, if you check, so look, here is the container id, and it's the image, whatever the image we are using. So it's Jenkins LTS, and the command like it's the path of Jenkins, and created we have created 2 hours ago. So there is status is running from the last 2 hours, and port is 8080, which belongs to Jenkins 50,000 port. So as a users you can use these ports 8080, and internal they are using 50,000 ports for Jenkins. So this is the name of Jenkins. So yeah, that's all from